The formula below can be used to work out the cost of taxi journey in miles with 3 different taxi companies. Which is the cheapest company to use for 30 miles?
So we need to
write this out. So let's say reliable taxis, R-E-L-I-B-L-E, taxi C. Right. So C equals 1.5 times 30.
Now, some of you might not know how to multiply this.
Now, the easiest way to multiply decimals is just do 15 times 30.
You can use your lattice or your
grid or your column method. I'm going to use my grid method. 10 and 5, 3 and 0.
You might think, well, I've written a 0. I've just written 0 just for the hell of it, really. I don't really need to. 3 times 1 is 3. Add the 2 zeros. 3 times 5 is 15. Add the 0. Add this up, which will make it 450. But again, I times by 10 to get my 1.5 to 15.
So I need to divide by 10. So this would be £45.
Okay. The other way you can think about it is my question's got 1 decimal place, so my answer's going to need 1.
Look at speedy taxis. P-E-E-D-1. So it's going to be 1.1. X is 30, so I'm going to times it by 30 plus 11.5. Do my 30, I'm still going to do my times table. I'm going to treat my 1.1 as this 11. So 10 and 1, 30 and a 0. 30 times 10 is 300. 30 times 1 is 30. 0, 0. So 300 plus 30 is 330.
But again, this is if I times it by 11. It's not times by 11, it's times by 1.1.
So I'm going to have to put my decimal place here, which will make it 33. So it's 33 plus 11.5.
Okay, it's going to be
city taxi. I want to hit city taxi, which is actually C equals 1.25x plus 8.
This kind of hasn't come up.
So it's 1.25 times 30 plus 8.
Right, so I have to do 1.25 times 30.
I'm going to treat it as 125. So 120 under 5. 30 and a 0. Okay. 30 times 100, 3 times 1 is 3. And I add my 4 zeros. 1, 2, so my 3 zeros. 3 times 2 is 6. Add my 2 zeros. 3 times 5 is 15. Add my zeros. All of these are zeros,
because it is a 0.
And we'll write my numbers out here to add. So it's 3,000 plus 600 plus 150. I've lined it up a little bit badly, but just remember they are the same. 0, 5, 7, 3.
But again, this is a 1.25. I've treated it as 125.
So I've times this by 100 to get to this one. So I'm going to have to divide it by 100 to make it 37.5.
The other way you can think about it again is I've got 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place. So my answer, I need 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place.
So it's got to be 37.5 plus 8,
okay,
which happens to be 45.5.
So I've got 3 taxis to compare from. I've got city taxis, which is 45.5. I've got speedy taxis, which is 44.5.
And reliable taxis, which is 45. Which one it is? Which is the cheapest company to use?
Well, the cheapest one out of all 3 of them is going to be speedy taxis. So I'm going to actually have to write a comment at the bottom to say speedy taxis. I'm going to actually use purple because I use purple to write speedy taxis.
Is cheapest. Costing, and it's always good to throw a number in, £44.50.
Remember, try the 50 because it's 50p.